Most people searching for $500 instantly make one huge mistake. They assume every cash advance app can actually approve that amount right away. But here's the truth no one tells you. In 2026, getting a $500 advance is possible, but most apps only offer higher limits to users with stable income, strong account activity, and repayment history. If you choose the wrong app, you could waste hours applying and still get denied. In this video, I'll show you the best apps to borrow $500 instantly, which ones realistically offer higher limits, and how to improve your approval chances fast. Let's get straight into it. One of the strongest options right now is MoneyLion. MoneyLion has become popular because eligible users can qualify for larger advances over time compared to smaller payday apps. Let's say Alex works full-time and consistently receives direct deposits into his account. After building account history and successful repayments, MoneyLion may offer higher instant advance limits closer to $500. The biggest advantage is flexibility. The app also includes banking tools and credit-building features. But here's the problem. New users rarely get the maximum amount immediately. Most apps increase limits gradually after seeing stable repayment behavior. Another strong option is Earnin. Earnin works especially well for users with steady paychecks. For example, Jake gets paid weekly, but suddenly faces a car repair bill before payday. Earnin can allow him to access a portion of his already earned wages early. Now here's where it gets interesting. Earnin often focuses more on verified income and deposit consistency than traditional credit scores. That's why many users with average credit still qualify successfully. Next is Dave. Dave is commonly used for smaller advances, but long-term users with healthy account activity may qualify for higher limits over time. Many people start with smaller amounts before building eligibility. This is where most people fail. They apply to multiple apps on the same day, expecting instant $500 approvals. Many platforms analyze banking behavior automatically, and unstable balances or repeated overdrafts can reduce approval odds quickly. In a minute, I'll show you the smartest way to improve your chances of getting larger instant advances. Another option worth checking is Albert. Albert works well for users looking for simpler applications and smaller emergency borrowing. While initial amounts may be lower, consistent account activity can help over time. Here's the key strategy experienced users follow. Maintain regular deposits, avoid overdrafts, and repay advances on time. Apps trust predictable account behavior more than high income alone. Also, never borrow the full $500 unless absolutely necessary. Larger repayments can create financial pressure on your next paycheck if you're not careful. So, the best apps to borrow $500 instantly in 2026 are MoneyLion, Earnin, Dave, and Albert.ai. The best option depends on your income consistency, account stability, and repayment history. If this video helped you understand which apps realistically offer higher instant advances, hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and comment below which app gave you the highest approval limit so far.